Girl, the brain full of codeine. Juggy Josie, she run from the war and no show a flap scene. Twinkle alone against the world, that's me. Did I make the little punk ball creep? The study use a dildo jam your body, don't forget that.
Yo, what's good YouTube gang? Your boy Jambisco back with another crazy update. Yeah man gang, yo, that mafia. You thought Jada was done. I thought Jada was done. We all thought Jada was done with the war, done with the clash. But Jada Kingdom, Miss Twinkle, come and say, yo, what, me trick or no? You see me and say, you think me they done? No, something ain't done, you can't done till girl bad fly. You see me and say, so yeah man gang, a few minutes ago, Jada took to her Instagram. We should preview our new diss track for London Dead, you know man. New diss track for Stefflon, you know man. I mean I say gang, yo, me not like, it's sounding tough. She bring up all type of stuff and address all type of stuff from Stefflon last song, and also bringing some new stuff. And guys, ladies, guys, I think y'all gonna love it. The war is on. Yo, we can react to it together, gang. We can react to it together and see what's going on, man. Cause yo,
too easy though, God.
Girl, the brain full of codeine. Juggy Josie, she run from the war and no show a flap scene.
Girl, the brain full of codeine. What?
Twinkle alone against the world, that's me. Did I make the little punk ball creep? The study use a dildo jam your body, don't
Drinking against the world, that's me. Did I make a little punk ball creep? Damn, Steph. She a joy your cat.
forget that. You love the gay life, or you acting like you better. Step panty tongue, I'm the one.
Yeah, act like you're better. Oh my God.
La Manchester, and I see you snotter when
Steph panty tongue near me wall of Manchester. Oh God.
last get a check up. London, baby, your pussy coming like a letter. Fuck out and then just go put that pan a
London baby was it come like a letter. Oh God.
stretcher. You suck the most dick, you're not eligible for lecture. You pull up with a bag of batty man, now what this fuck? I told my go do in a song, make it.
All niggas in the studio got shot. You pull up with a bag of what him.
It's like you're obsessed, make a just in your
We can't drop this down. We can't drop this down. We can't drop this down.
You do like for your real life.
Steph, you gotta cuss Jada, bro. You have to let her have it. You can't kill Jada though.
Why am I front the panetta? I know you vex, but I can't take the fuck back. Look how long I left the boy. You not understand that.
You make this shit look.
You see what the caption says? It said, okay, G's. See one of the preview them, yeah? LOL. And mind you, this was from 2 days ago after she started ball. You're lying. Jada, you just recorded this. You're lying. We're not going to play that, bro. He always pull up whenever. My home studio. This girl is a joke, guys. Never see the point in responding. I didn't even make a cover yet. Me so uninterested. Me so uninterested. Move from us, Jada. Jada, you just recorded it. You're lying. You know what I'm going to say you just recorded that? Because you addressed everything she said the other day. So you could have never recorded this before Steph started ball. So you're lying. You see me?
Easy.
Too easy though, God.
Yeah, man. You want to hear a little piece more again, gang? Listen.
Just
Girl,
buy
the brain full of codeine. Juggy Josie, she run from the war and no show a flap scene. Twinkle alone against the world, that's me. Did I make the little punk ball creep? The study use a dildo jam your body, don't forget that. You love the gay life, or you acting like you better. Step panty tongue, I'm the whole of Manchester. And I see you snotter when last I get a check up. London, baby, your pussy coming like a letter. Fuck out and then just go put that pan a stretcher. You suck the most dick, you're not eligible for lecture. You pull up with a bag of batty man, now what this fuck? I told my go do in a song, make it better. It's like you're obsessed, make a just in your
We can't drop this down. We can't drop this down. We can't drop this down.
You do like for your real life, don't fuck. Why am I front the panetta? I know you vex, but I can't take the fuck back. Look how long I left the boy. You not understand that.
You make this shit look easy.
Yo, no, dog, no, me can't uphold this. That's like this. Me can't uphold him starting this gang. No man. Yo, Jada, you need to behave yourself. But we're glad the war there and we're glad the war nice. Wanna say gang? Yeah, but we're glad the war there and we're glad the war nice. Jada, do you think you need to drop this by midnight? Jada, it's been about 2, almost 3 days. You have until midnight, Jada. If you don't drop before midnight, you're lose. Jambisco done saying that. Jambisco done tell you that. If you don't drop before midnight, you lose the war. So don't even bother coming in with nice. You see me and say, I'm not care. When you record this, I thought what a couple of years ago before start. You just record this, Jada. Let's not play the games. You just record this because you address things she says now yourself. If you record a couple of years before she start ball, you couldn't address them things. Let's just be real. You see me and say, but yeah, man. Jada song sound fire. You need for drop it. No. If you want to start up and nice again, and you can lie about last week now. All people are talking about stuff about 333. And you lie about the last one, try to laugh. Tell the lie. Jump back into the war. Keep doing your thing. Go murder people, Jada. We're root for you. We're root for Steph too. Just a root for good music and we're root for the winner. You see me? We not bias out the thing, Jada. You can do your thing. You see me? We there and wait. You have until midnight, Jada. Gang, let me know what y'all think about this. Let's chop it up in the comment section, man. Let me know what your thoughts on this preview. And does Jada have until 12 to reply? It's almost 3 days now. No? Let me know, gang. We don't know. Jambisco. Next time, take care of yourself. Nature. Love you guys.
Me, I always tell the truth. Even when I lie.